Hello everyone. The most important thing is to try and inspire people so that they can be great in whatever they want to do. On this positive note, I, Mr. Rohan Surve from MMS first year, welcome you all to the 13th Digital Brims Connect session for the month of February 2021. Starting with 1st February, we are happy to share that Research and Recognition Committee of University of Mumbai approved the research proposal of Professor Mahesh Bhanushali. On 2nd February, Dr. Smita Zape wrote an article on union budget which was published in a newspaper. On 5th February, Admission Committee has successfully completed MMS 2020-22 batch admission process, and out of 189 students, total 155 students got admission. On 6th February, National Conference was held in our institute on the theme Changing Scenario of Rural Economy, Role of Research, Innovation and Digitalization. The chief convener for the conference was Dr. Nitin Joshi, the convener was Dr. Smita Zape, and coordinators were Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra and Professor Kanchan Akshay. Also on 6 February, Dr. Nitin Joshi, Director, Dr. V.N. Bedekar Institute of Management Studies, declared the theme for next year's conference 2022, which is Management Education, being relevant through applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. On 6 February, Dr. V.N. Brim's journal Srujan was launched. The chief editor of the journal is Dr. Guruprasad Murthy. The associate editor is Dr. Nitin Joshi. The editorial committee comprises of Dr. Smita Zape, Dr. Pallavi Chandwaskar, and Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra. The innovative launch of Srujan 2021 was done by Professor Krunal. Paper presentation by researchers were given on the day of conference. Intercollegiate level business quiz competition was held during the national conference. The event was coordinated by Dr. Smita Zape, Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, Professor Kanchan Akshay, and Professor Vibhuti Save. Total 11 teams were shortlisted for the competition. On 9 February, Professor Mahesh Bhanushali placed following 8 students from our institute in ICICI Bank. The students are Purva Asgaonkar, Harsha Jain, Mayuri Patil, Sujay Patil, Arshad Agawne, Swapnil Hirve, Saili Pala, and Revati Padathure. Their packages will be 4.2 lakhs per annum. Their designation will be Deputy Manager 1. Congratulations to all the students. Moving ahead, on 13th February, Dr. Smita Zape and Professor Kanchan Akshay and MMS Girl students attended an online workshop on women health and nutrition organized by Women Development Cell of Tilak College, Vashi in association with Cloud9 Hospital. On 18th February, Dr. Pallavi Chandwaskar conducted IQAC meeting under leadership of Dr. Nitin Joshi and IQAC team members Dr. Smita Zape, Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, and Professor Mahesh Bhanushali, Ms. Dipti Gokhale, and other representatives of IQAC. On 20th February, Industrial Visit Committee of BRIMS, consisting of Professor Dipti Periwal and Professor Siddesh Soman, conducted a video-based virtual industrial visit activity for MMS first year students. More than 100 participants joined this activity, which revolved around Balaji Wafers automated plant in Rajkot. BNB Science College appointed Dr. Smita Zape as a finance member for their finance committee as an advisor for their autonomous courses. We are pleased to inform you that on 22nd February, Dr. Pallavi Chandwaskar got nominated by Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Mumbai as VC nominee on the BOS Board of Studies of BNB Science College for Interdisciplinary Science course. On 23rd and 24th February, the ISO audit was held in college. Professor Mahesh Bhanushali successfully handled 2 days certificate renewal CR external audit by LRQA by representing the institute as management representative. We are happy to share with you that VPM's Dr. V.N. Bedekar Institute of Management Studies is awarded ISO 9001-2015 certified institute consistently in the second cycle. Going ahead, on 25th February, Professor Krunal K. Punjanis' second Scopus research paper titled Impact of Advertising Puffery and Celebrity Trustworthiness on Attitude and Purchase Intent, a study on Indian youth, has been accepted in the Journal of Advances in Management Research, an IIT Delhi journal, which is ranked among quartile 2, that is top 25 to 50% journals by Skymago Journal Rank. On 26 February, Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, Professor Kanchan Akshay, and Ms. Dipali Indalkar organized International Mother Language Day and Marathi Bhasha Gaurav Din as a part of Cultural and Staff Committee. On 20th February, Dr. Sridharan Menon has successfully completed Certified Peer Reviewer course by Elsevier Research Academy. In the month of February, Dr. Pallavi Chandwaskar, Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, and Professor Vibhuti Save completed certificate course on mentorship from Udemy on topic Be a Great Mentor, a practical guide to mentorship. Also in month of February, interviews for the final placement opportunities were held for the following companies in February 2021. First, Oppo Mobiles for lead trainer, marketing and brand management. Second, Morningstar for financial research associate and analyst. Third, Visible Alpha for financial analyst. Fourth, Tata AIG for business development. Fifth, IDFC First Bank for management training. Sixth, Ingram Micro for finance executive. 7. DHL Global Supply Chain for operations. 8. Purple Tutor for marketing. Now let us have a look on some of the certifications done by our first year student Mr. Harshad Goradkar. Moving ahead, following are the upcoming competitions and certification courses that will be offered to students. First, Sri Ambika Yog Kutir, leading yoga institute recognized by Ayush Mantralaya, is launching online course with Yoga Certification Board, Government of India. It is an international recognized yoga program. This will help for your physical and emotional well-being. Interested students are requested to fill the YCB online form by clicking on the link below or contact the numbers below. Second, CSR committee is organizing a video making competition on the theme A Day Without Plastic. Students will be required to make video according to the guidelines provided and submit their video. Now one of our alumni, Mr. Sanket Date from 2015-17 will share his experience at Dr. V.N. Brims and about his professional life.
Hi, I'm Sanket Date. I'm a 2017 pass out of Dr. V.N. Brims with my specialization in operations. Speaking about my life in Brims, it was a wonderful journey of 2 years, which was filled with a combination of fun as well as learning. And since it was a combination of both, never felt like a stereotype typical classroom session. And since the institute always focused on overall development of the students, it really helped. And today, while working in the industry, so I work with JCPL India in the logistics and customer service team. Also, here is also everyday new challenge, everyday new hurdle which we have to face, and every day it is a new learning. But it really feels good when we apply what we have learned back then in the institute to solve our day-to-day problems. It feels like yes, we did our education from the right place, and we feel proud about it.
So these all were the achievements and updates of various events that happened in month of February 2021. We would like to thank our director Dr. Nitin Joshi and our director general Dr. Guru Prasad Murthy for the constant support and motivation. We would also like to thank all the faculty members and the IT team for their support. We would like to thank the Student Engagement Committee for their effort. Today's event was anchored by first year MMS student Mr. Rohan Surve. We would like to thank each one of you for joining the event. It is rightly said by Walt Disney that all our dreams can come true if we have courage to pursue them. So start working on your dreams, not today but one day you will get what you want. Thank you for your kind support and cooperation. As coronavirus increases, I would suggest all of you that wear mask, use sanitizer, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.